All right, thanks everybody. We got the Memphis Grizzlies taking on the Oklahoma City Thunder here on March 24th, 2021. We got the Grizzlies coming off a win versus the Celtics in overtime, and they are currently the 5.5-point favorite versus this Oklahoma City Thunder team. Over-under set at 221.5. I'm Coach from Sports Gambling Daily. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. We post a ton of free content on this channel, so definitely consider subscribing. Let's get into this matchup here between the Grizzlies and the Thunder. Like I mentioned before, the Grizzlies beat the Celtics in overtime. It was a close game. Actually, the Grizzlies kind of melted down a little bit in the fourth quarter, but they got it done in the paint. This team just pounded the paint over and over and over again. Celtics didn't have anything for that. And then the Grizzlies also hit some timely threes there at the end. Now, Triple J, he is still going to be out. Jaren Jackson Jr., do not know when he will return. The Grizzlies are 3-1 against the spread in their last 4 games, and they're also 3-1 straight up in their last 4. They are 8-2 in their last 10 against the spread as a favorite. And overall, guys, Oklahoma City not having a great year this year, especially at home. They don't win many games. Now, they did beat the Timberwolves. They are on a 2-game winning streak. They beat the Rockets and the Timberwolves back-to-back games. SGA, he is not on the injury report, so that's good news for the Thunder. Dort also looks like he will be available as well. And Darius Bazley, he will not play. He is week to week with that shoulder injury. Overall, guys, the Memphis Grizzlies are 6-1 against the spread in their last 7 meetings versus this Thunder team that I think is just going to try to get through the rest of the season. Give me the Grizzlies, and I'm going to lay the 5.5 on the road. That's my prediction. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. I'm Coach from Sports Gambling Daily. Consider a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video. Good luck on your wagers. Peace.